Hello, my amazing family. Welcome to Lisa Good to Media YouTube channel. Please subscribe to this amazing channel. Na karibu sana. Okay, guys, as you can see, I'm unboxing my ring light and I want to show you how to assemble it. Okay, stay tuned and subscribe, my loves. Bado tuko tu all support, so don't worry. We are here for the whole month. This is stand. In stand, isn't it?
Yeah, in stand.
In stand.
You have to loosen it.
You know how you did it
Yes,
the other time.
Yes. You just need to pull
Up to there.
up to there.
Okay.
Yeah. Then you have to tighten this one. Yes, now I'm doing something.
Something like what?
I'm working hard.
Bado. Is it ready? Stand is set. Ishafungwa stand iko hapa. Now unbox this. Unboxing and doing what? And assembling my ring lights. Look at this. Hey, the package. Everything. Wait, babe.
I'm too fast.
You're too fast, man.
It has got a remote.
Yeah, remote iko hapa.
It's a cable that connects the stand and the light.
Okay.
It's the holder for the camera.
Hiyo yote ni ya camera.
Yeah.
Ya kuhold camera.
I'll show you how
we do it.
it.
Let's do it. Guys, look at this. Oh my god, I'm just so happy. I'm just so happy I have a ring light. Iko na remote ya kuicontrol. Yes, let's go. Hivi. Washa hiyo kwanza.
Alright.
Yeah.
Sasa tuanze na gani, babe?
Sasa si wewe ndio unajua, si wewe ndio mwenyewe. Wewe ndio the assembler.
I'm the assembler. So let's fix this one. So this one, you see how it looks like?
Yes, you force it there.
Force this one inside. Just
force it, please. Force it. Hey, finally.
That's it. Then after you force
finally, it's forced.
you have to tighten this one.
Okay.
It takes some accuracy.
It needs accuracy.
Speed is not required, but accuracy is more important.
Okay.
Yeah. Here we are, guys.
Yes.
Remember this one, you can fold it as much as you want.
It's flexible.
It's flexible. Yeah.
Fold it sounds.
Yeah, you can put it this way, you can put it this way.
Yes.
You can put it this way, you can put it the other way.
Yes.
It's not a metal as we may think. Yeah. Then from there, put.
Hatujasahau.
Yeah, seems like something is missing here.
Are you sure?
Yeah, no. I'm now sure. So this one, let me show you this one. There are two here, it's not one. Right?
Yes.
So you have to take this one and fix it here.
Yeah.
Again, accuracy.
Accuracy is very important.
That level is okay. After
Yeah.
that, you bring the other one, you fix it.
Oh.
Right?
Yes.
After that,
you
take the ring light itself.
Yes.
Right? So this will show you the function of this button.
Later.
Yeah, later, and this one as well.
Okay.
So I believe you can remember how we fixed this one. So you bring this one, you insert it here.
Okay, insert please.
Insert it. After inserting, you have to make sure
tighten
you
it.
tighten it.
Yeah, so that it
So
doesn't
that
fall.
It doesn't fall.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
May I fix?
You can use your formula to fix it as long as
It's tightened.
it's tightened.
Yeah.
See?
Yes.
Yes.
It's tight. Very tight.
Very tight.
Very tight.
As tight as what?
I don't know. Lakini babe, kuwa Mkristo.
Right.
Yes. So what
there,
next? This one is set.
This one is set. So this way you fit in your
camera.
phone or your camera.
Okay.
Yes.
Guys, we want to shoot something for you guys. Udaki kidogo. So we are setting this, and I saw it wise to maybe show someone who doesn't know how to fix a ring light. Tuwaonyeshe so that when you buy one, you just refer to our video and assemble. Oh yeah, you can hire. My baby is here. Then what next?
Then we bring this one, and you fix it here.
Fit it well, please. Imeingia. Ijaingia? Make sure imeingia.
Yes.
Oh, imeingia, guys.
Imeingia. So
Imeingia.
These equals adjust. Yes. Now, design here. You have to tighten it. That's why we have these knobs.
Okay.
Yes, you have to tighten it.
Yes.
Yeah, now you see?
It's so tight.
Yes, this one also. You can loosen it so that you can control the light the way you want.
Wow.
At any angle. At any point. This is how we do it. It's simple but complicated in a way.
Very complicated.
Yeah. This one is done, babe.
Okay. So the cable and the remote is here. Make sure it's working. We have to confirm.
Which one?
The cable, weka, just do it. Do everything.
Which cable?
Sile cable ya kuweka kwa socket.
So that's it. And the cable is here. This is the cable. Insert it here. And then the other side. Look for the
socket.
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 Okay.
Okay, weka.
This one is a socket, right?
My ring light is here, guys. Oh my god.
Oh, it was already on, baby. You turned it on before we put it on?
I don't know. I don't know why it's on.
Yes.
What remote?
So this is the button for the light. You turn it on and off.
Okay. Wow. I love it. I'll move it closer. Where we want to shoot something amazing for my people. The remote, turn it on and then you bring the remote.
Right.
Oh my god, guys, it's working. My ring light is finally here and it's working. Oh, you want to
just to
show us? Demonstrate.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is the camera.
Guys, let me bring my phone for shooting. Guys, oneni venye shawekwa. Mwenye ring light atatumia ring light.
Haya.
Na mtu wa kuhaya.
Where is our remote?
Remote is there, guys. You put your phone or your camera there. Then you just sit down. That's what we want to do now. To continue to shoot. Tuwaonyeshe something nice, okay? Wapi remote? Huku umeweka battery.
After you put it on.
So
we have the buttons on and off.
On.
So this is on.
That's on.
Yeah.
Ndio hiyo imechange. You can't see kwa camera, guys, when ina change, but imechange tena. Imechange tena.
So we have 4 different colors.
Yeah. Oh, you una adjustable tena. Yeah, you adjust like that. Yes. So guys, it's just simple like that, sindio? That is done. See who is there. See who is there, man. Who is there? I'm shooting. Yeah, it's done. Guys, see you Bye. And that's how we assemble ring light for shooting. See you on the next video yenye tunaenda kushoot. I hope you like it. Okay, thank you so much for watching.
Also the brightness you can
inaongezeka. Yeah. Guys, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like the video, and also share, and make sure you come back again for the next video. Okay, bye.